Interconversion of states of matter. Matter around us exists in the solid, liquid, and gaseous state. The state of matter changes from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, or a combination of these. A solid changes its state to liquid by melting. Upon heating solids, the space between the particles increases and the particles move freely to form liquid. When a piece of butter is placed on a frying pan and heated, the piece of butter slowly loses its shape and changes to liquid. Similarly, a liquid changes its state to solid by solidification. Upon freezing liquids, the space between the particles decrease and they solidify. When some water is poured in an ice tray and kept in the freezer, the water solidifies and becomes ice. A liquid changes its state to gaseous form through vaporization. The space between particles increases when heated, thereby forming gas. When water is heated, vapor arises from its surface and so water in a liquid state is converted to a gaseous state. The gas formed can be converted back to liquid. Now, close the beaker with the lid and continue heating. After some time, you will observe droplets of water accumulated on the surface of the lid. Such a process is called condensation. During condensation, vaporized particles are accumulated and form liquid. We have already learned melting, solidification, vaporization, and condensation. Now, can a solid be directly converted to gas and vice versa? When dry ice is kept at -78.5 degrees Celsius at 1 atmospheric pressure, dry ice is converted to gas. This process is called sublimation. And when the gas so formed is trapped, the gas is accumulated to form dry ice again. That shows that a solid can be directly converted to gas and vice versa. As we have earlier seen in vaporization, a liquid is converted to gas before reaching its boiling point. Such a process is relatively known as evaporation. Let's define it. Evaporation is the process by which a liquid changes from its liquid state to gaseous state without being heated to its boiling point. There are many factors which affect the evaporation of liquids. Temperature. When droplets of water are sprayed into a hot pan, you will observe that the droplets suddenly vaporize and the vapors escape into the atmosphere. This shows that increase of temperature will result in a greater number of water particles being converted to a vapor state. Surface area. When the surface area is increased, the rate of evaporation increases. Here, the glass and the saucer contain water. Both are kept at room temperature. You will observe that after some time, the water level in the saucer has fallen substantially compared to the water level in the glass. The water in the saucer has evaporated due to the increased surface area. Wind speed. These clothes are spread out for drying. As the wind speed increases, the particles of water vapor move away with the wind, decreasing the amount of water vapor in the surrounding. Wind speed increases evaporation. Hence, on a windy day, clothes dry faster. Humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in air. If the amount of water in the air is high, evaporation will be less. Here, the same volume of water is kept in both beakers. However, they are placed in different weather conditions. Hence, you will observe that under hot conditions, the water level in the beaker drops, whereas in humid conditions, there is no significant change in the water level. This shows that humidity affects evaporation. Evaporation causes cooling. Let us now observe a thermometer where the mercury bulb is secured with a cotton plug. It is dipped in a bottle containing spirit. You will observe that the mercury dips. This indicates that as the spirit evaporates, the temperature reduces and cotton becomes cold. Things to remember. The state of matter changes from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, or a combination of these. Solid changes its state to liquid by melting, and liquid changes its state to solid by solidification. Liquid changes its state to gaseous form through vaporization, and through condensation, gas changes to liquid. Solid can be directly converted to gas through a process of sublimation, and gas can be converted to solid through deposition. Evaporation is the conversion of liquid to gas before reaching the liquid's boiling point. Factors affecting evaporation are temperature, surface area, wind speed, and humidity.